joking for the day ay mga larong pambata. Okay, sinong una magja-joking para sa atin?
Maria!
Ako na. Maria.
Volunteer.
Who else?
Sige.
Eto na po. Ang joking ko ay Jolens. Alam niyo ba yung Jolens? Oh.
Pakita mo. John.
Yun nga, Jolens. Ano ang joking ng Jolens?
Ano?
We could have had it all. Jolens in the deep. You had my heart and soul, and you played it to the beating. We could have had it all.
Okay na. Okay ba? Okay naman. Ang susunod. Ay, wala
Ako.
iba. Ikaw, sige.
Ay, ito maganda to.
Grabe, ma, ha? Yung foreigner na guest natin, yung expression niya nung kumanta ka.
Ah, talaga?
Oo. Nakagano siya, tapos sabi niya,
I've never heard anything like that before, sabi niya.
ayun siya.
Dali.
O, eto. Ano ang joking ng sungka? Sungka! Ano? Sungka na hanap ko sa tuwina. Sungka sa akin nagpapaligaya. Kapag nag-iisa. Sungka! Tigilin niyo na ako.
Hoy, palakpak naman kayo!
Hey!
Ganda.
Sungka.
Ako nagturo kay Grace nun. Wow.
Kaya wala ako sa tono.
Ayan,
Ako na.
ladies and gentlemen, beautiful. Ana Feliciano.
Wow! Ang joksing ko ay Shaggy D. Ano ang joksing ng Shaggy D?
Ano?
Shaggy D! When the feeling's gone and you don't know why, Shaggy D! When the morning cries, Shaggy D! When the feeling's gone and you don't know why, Shaggy D! Oh! Tragedy yun eh.
Anong laro yung Shaggy D? Ano yun?
Shaggy, shapopo. Shaggy, shapopo. Shaggy, shapopo.
Basa, di mo inabutan.
Kaya inabutan yan. Shaggy D.
Wah! Hindi inaabot.
Muna, no?
Sige. O, sino susunod?
Jolens.
Hazel.
Ay, this is it.
Uy, ano ba yun?
It's the shorts.
Sorry.
Jolens.
Ang aking joksing ay...
Hula hoop.
Hula hoop.
Ano ang joksing ng hula hoop?
Ano?
Cause to lose all my senses and it just oh baby hula hoops I did it again. I play with your heart.
Dinadaan niya sa sayaw
Yung may itsura ni
Dinadaan niya sa sayaw.
Hindi naintindihan eh.
Jolens pa rin!
Shaggy D!
Sungka!
Hula hoop!
Ayan.
Ay, sige na. Move on na.
KK.
Yan na.
Eto, ang joksing ko ay... Unggoyan. Ayun, para kayo unggoy. Unggoy. Ano ang joksing ng unggoyan? Ano? Sa aking pagtulog na labis ang kintin, ang bantay ko'y tala, ang tanod ko'y bituin. Sa piling ni nanay, langit ang buhay, puso kong may dusa, sabik sa unggoyan.
Ay, nagpapalakpakan, no? Very good.
Pwede.
Ay, natalo ko doon.
Candy. Ayan.
Na. Hula
Sa
ka
atin, Joy.
Ano ang joksing ng agawang base?
Ano?
Tarsier daw, tarsier.
Tarsiran. Narinig ko yun, ah.
Tarsiran. Stop.
I need a man who take a chance of the light that burns, hanging out to last. And when the night falls, my lonely heart goes. Agawang base with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Agawang base with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Agawang base! Agawang base!
Ayos naman,
Agawang
ayos.
base!
Yan, yan. Okay.
Yan,
Bago ako
Ready?
mag-joke, bago ako
Wow.
mag-joke, imbitahin lang po kayo sa opening po ng Raqueteros.
Ano daw?
Yan. Yes, Raqueteros starring Herbert Bautista, Ogie Alcacid, Dennis Padilla, Long Mejia, Andrew E., Joey Marquez. Ayun! Thank you very much. Ayan. Bibigyan ko na sila. Thank you sa mga team. Thank you very much. August 7! Raqueteros yan. Bibigay ko na sa mga Raqueteros. Suot nyo ha. Nasa katagutin. Yan! O, isa lang. Yun! Raqueteros! August 7!
Raqueteros.
Thank you very much. Yun.
Raqueteros. Raqueteros.
From Heaven's Best. Okay, eto na. Ang aking jokesing ay bahay-bahayan.
Wow!
Ano ang jokesing sa bahay-bahayan?
Ano?
Bahay-bahayan. Bahay-bahay happiness. Hello, loneliness. I think I'm gonna die. Bahay-bahayan. Bahay-bahay happiness. Hello, loneliness. I think I'm gonna die.
Shaggy D!
All right, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Ava.
Viva, come on! What's wrong with me? Vampira.
Bum bum
I do feel like
bum bum bidum bum bum
I'm going crazy now. Bum, bum, vampira. No more gas in the wind. I can hurt like a sin.
Can't just think about it.
All my life in my head. Don't wanna think about it. 'Cause I'm going insane. It's the demon tonight to come and grab you. It's the people tied to conceal you. I see something mine, it can't control you. It's too close for comfort. Don't want your big life. We're in the city of bones. I'm in the playing night. Was I too much? 'Cause no one will let us in time. We think that no one will be nothing. So if you're my boy, I'll be wide. The mind is like Disturbia. Inside the darkness in the light. Disturbia. I'm scaring you tonight. Disturbia. Ain't used to what you like. Disturbia. Disturbia. It's a thieving tonight to come and grab you. It can freeze all inside you and consume you. Unease of the mind, it can control you. I feel like a monster. No one you bring alive. We're in the city of one love and don't play nice. Wash out your masters, go on, so better think twice. We're dreaming love will be open. So if you're my dog, now be wise. Your mind is in Disturbia. It's like the darkness in the light. Disturbia. I'm scaring you tonight. Disturbia. Ain't used to what you like. Disturbia. Disturbia. Bum bum bidum bum bum bidum bum bum bum. Yeah, I see you. Hey. Bum bum bidum bum bum bidum bum bum bidum bum bum bidum bum. Woo!
Thank you very much, Ava! Ang susunod, syempre, napakagandang
Yeah.
KK!
I dedicate this song to Miss Holziva, Joya. Yeah. Something from Miss Joya.
Makakaya ko ba kung mawawala sa aking piling? Paano ba halika't tiyak mo ay di ko na kayang isipin?
midday sun, I hear the whisper and the words melt everyone. You stay so good. My Mona Lisa, my Spanish Harlem Mona Lisa. You're my reason for reason. Step in my room. And if you say this life ain't good enough, I will give my world to lift you up. I will change my life to better suit your mood. 'Cause you're so smooth. And it's just like the ocean under the moon. It's the same steam motion that I get from you. You got a kind of love and I can be so smooth, yeah. Give me your heart, make it real, or else forget about it. I'll tell you one thing, if you would leave it, be a cry of shame. In every breath and every word, I hear your name calling you out. Out on the barrio, you hear the rhythm of the radio. You feel it turning on the world, so soft and slow, turning you round. And everybody, and if you say this life ain't good enough, I will change my world to lift you up. I will change my life to better suit your mood. Come on, baby! 'Cause you're so sweet. Just like the ocean under the moon, it's the same emotion that I get from you. You got a kind of love and I can be so true, yeah. Give me your heart, make it real, or else forget about it. Bye-bye!